in the capital of
Singapore.
Wasi Loren Milen G. Cantos, Wasi Tong Sui, Watai Piao, Singapore. Sheko Si Ika He, Hao Te Koka. Wasi Juan Carlos R. Alvarez, Wasi Tong Si, Watai Pao, Singapore. Shito Si Iki Yen, Hao Te Kuka.
And now, for the country, which is popularly known for its windmills, tulips, flags, beltware, gouda cheese, visual artists, and bicycle, let us all welcome Mr. and Miss Holland.
Hello, okay morning, dames and gentlemen. Big Ben, Carl Sintobuso saying, let us fix our eyes not on what is seen, but on what is unseen. For what is seen is temporary, and what is unseen is eternal. Again, Big Ben, Carl Sintobuso. Bertigen Mudigen Van Halen!
Hello, okay morning, Minam, James Marvin Natanawan, Burbelden, Hola!
From the third largest country in South America, join us in welcoming Mr. and Miss Peru.
Buenos dias, I am Nicole Santiago, a grade 5 pupil from Section Venus, proudly standing in front of you to represent the third largest country in South America, Peru. Hola, it's really an honor to stand before all of you. I am Jericho T. Reyes, a grade 5 pupil, also from Section Venus, and I proudly represent República del Peru.
And now, from the land of the free, join us in welcoming Mr. and Miss Science.